How's it going, Savage Life family? Today we're taking a look at Sckt Mobile, ticker symbol SCKT, as they had a massive run up as of yesterday, or let's just say this week. They've had a massive run up $17.44 in a single day, which was on the 16th, up 538%, which is absolutely insane for a penny stock to ride this high. Now, it was due to some news they released, of course, and we're gonna go ahead and hop into that, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my honest opinion if I believe you should buy into the company or not. At the end of the day, I want you guys to profit. Now, if I'm negative or positive towards a company, it's all in the mindset of whether if I would buy into the company or whether if I would not buy into the company. At the end of the day, I want all of my subscribers and viewers to make profit. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So Sckt Mobile is a leading innovator of data capture and delivery solutions for enhanced productivity in workforce mobilization. Now, their primary products are cordless data capture devices incorporating barcode scanners, technologies that connect over Bluetooth. So that is their core model, and that's where the revenue comes from. Now, the stock skyrocketed 500% on very heavy volume toward a more than 13-year high. So in over 12 to 13 years, they did not reach this high that it's at right now. So is it overvalued at the current moment? Maybe. Now, the company unveiled its new DuraSled offering, which enables users of all Apple iPhone 12 series devices to access professional grade scanning solutions. Now, what does that mean for the employers? Now, for the employers, it means that if their employees have iPhones, currently iPhone 6 and up, I believe, then they're able to use these phones and spend money on the scanners instead, which would come out a lot cheaper than buying the actual scanner itself, saving money for the company, of course, benefiting both parties. Now, these DuraSleds range from a price of $200 all the way to $700, and of course, the companies that will be buying into these DuraSleds are going to be buying in bulk, and it's going to be a lot cheaper than, of course, buying a scanner itself in bulk. Now, who uses these scanners? Pretty much every retail company or company that involves stocking, ticketing, delivery services. I'd say even police officers use scanners at the end of the day, so there is huge demand for this product. And the fact that they integrated Apple, which is probably, I'd say, over 60 to 70% of Americans have an Apple phone. So this was a very smart move by the company in terms of bringing in revenue for the long term. Now, trading volume spiked more than 75 million shares compared to what the full day average over the past 30 days of about 256,000 shares. So that is a huge spike, and of course it caused this huge run up here. Now, before that, this is a 180-day chart that we're looking at. You're seeing a majorly stagnant level sitting of roughly around this $1 price range, and every time earnings does get close, it spikes a couple of cents before dipping back down to these stagnant levels. Now, as an investor, when you look at a chart like this, is absolutely not attractive at all. And if you see Sckt, of course, they look absolutely overvalued at the current moment. The RSI indicators are showing nothing but overly sold levels, and it is quite dangerous to get into the stock price at these levels. So would I buy personally at these levels? No. Chasing a run up could come around and bite you at the end of the day, so I'd stay away from it at the current moment. Could it continue to ride back up? It did hit a high of $35, so if it goes ahead and spikes due to more volume, it could break that high and continue to immensely run up. Yes, that is a possibility, but unlikely at the current moment. So we will have to see, since today they announced that it will release its 2024 quarter and annual financial results at the close of the market on Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. Management will host a conference call to discuss these results that will begin at 5 p.m. Eastern on the 24th. So if it is going to run up again, it will be on days nearing to the 24th, and after, depending on what the results are, we could see another rise up for this company here. But looking at this chart, it's extremely unattractive for the long-term investor. Now, what I do enjoy about this company here is the latest data shows that short interest is 0.9% currently. So all the shorts exited their position, and there's barely no bears on this stock here. It's mostly bullish, and what that means is there's a huge demand for this stock at the current moment. Now, we've seen major catalysts, major run-ups like GME, SNDL, and when companies blow up over 200, 300, 400%, it attracts a massive load of individuals just trying to hop in no matter what level it is. They just want a piece of the action. And don't look into the background of the company, and don't invest from a fundamental standing, which could lead to very dangerous returns at the end of the day. Now, Sckt Mobile does generate revenue through the sales of its products, but it doesn't earn nearly enough money to cover expenses. As a result, if the company doesn't reach profitability before the money in its bank dries up, it's likely to look to capital markets to raise funds, leading to dilution of existing shareholder value and declines. So with this huge stock price spike and this major attraction of investors going to the stock due to these news, if the company chooses to issue new shares, then your current shares are going to hold less value because there's more shares in the market, meaning more supply to fill up the demand. So that's not going to be a good look if that does end up happening in the future. Now, for those of you who got it at an early level, I'd say $1, $2. Anything below $10 is absolutely a great level at the current moment. Congrats to you. I want to know if you are riding the current wave or if you exited at a profit. As long as you guys profited at the end of the day, I am happy. Remember, there's a lot of opportunities out there in the market, and if you miss this one, don't worry, another one is right around the corner, so be sure to keep your eye out. So I just want to say, for those of you who bought it at this $35 high right here to $30 level and are currently down, then you are in a extremely scary position, and you have to choose. You have to put a stop loss and limit yourself, whether if you put the stop loss at $17, $15, $10, $3, you are going to need to come up with an exit strategy just in case things go sideways. Now, if things turn around and continue to ride immensely up and you end up profiting, you're still going to need to come up with an exit plan at the end of the day. So you guys, let me know what is going on your end. Let me know the positions that you are in. Drop down below in the comment sections. Smash that like, subscribe for more information and updates on companies like this. I'll go ahead and catch you guys on the next one. See ya.